Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a beautiful dry cleaning layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the dry cleaning layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. There are high quality images that are included, along with custom icons that you can use without any restrictions on your own website. And this layout pack just matches a certain clean and professional design style that you can use for any kind of website you're building. So if you want to lay your hands on this layout pack, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can see all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free, so you're free to combine different layouts from different layout packs to create your website, or you can scroll down until you come across the dry cleaning layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack. And as I've mentioned before, these are all available in Divi for free, and you can view the live demo by clicking on the blue button over here. And over here, you can discover all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack without actually installing them on your website first. So say, for instance, you really enjoy this landing page and you want to use it on your website. You can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. So once you start building a new page, you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page. And we're going to use one of the layouts that come from the dry cleaning layout pack by clicking on the purple button over here. Now over here we have all of the different layout packs again, so we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we come across the dry cleaning layout pack. Click on it, select our layout of choice, and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content. And from that point on, you can start modifying everything and make your website ready to go live. So of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options to create some design changes. So say, for instance, you want to change this background color over here. You can go to the background settings of your section and change the color. You can also clone certain things, play around with the spacing using the drag and drop options. But you can also change a certain setting throughout your entire design. So say, for instance, you want to change the font that's being used. You can open this module over here, go to the heading text settings, right-click on heading font, click on Find and Replace, and you can replace this default font within this page with another font of your choice. So let's just take Apple Fat Face, for instance, and we'll also tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type not limited to heading font to make sure that all of the text is covered, and then click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout your entire layout, and you can basically do that with each and every design option that you have within the Divi Builder and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.